Let me just quickly share my screen. So what I have here, and this is the back end. So you see when you build a legal bot, and I have a very simple but very powerful task here. So here I have a node where the user in the front end can upload a file, and then I have what we call the so-called AI output node, where we defined a prompt here in order to extract information out of that PDF. And what we selected here, and we can do that dynamic, but for demonstration purposes, we have it kind of fixed where we want to extract the job title in a contract. And here, the last node is just to show in the front end the variable of the AI output. So that is everything you need. 3 nodes built in 2 minutes. And when you see that in the front end, it looks like this. And for demo purposes, I have this contract in German, which is an employment contract from a guy called Obi-Wan Kenobi working for Lexemo. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to upload this contract into the tool, and I click the extract information button. And remember, we said we want to have the job title. And now everything is processed, and we can now see then he's a Jedi Master. So it's hired as a Jedi Master. And when you look into the contract, you see that in German, but that's the actual information which is inside of the contract. Mm-hmm. And this is, I think, a very powerful example how easy it is to leverage the power of a large language model in a very simplistic no-code environment where you can, and this is a very simple example, but you can do a lot of complex stuff with that. You combine it with logical conditions and so on and so forth. So at the end, it's up to the lawyer's kind of fantasy, so to say, to implement use cases. But this is a good example how easy and fast it is to build an data extraction bot, which before large language models, you would have needed quite a lot of data sets and training and deployment of a model.